Car for the day is this 2002 VW Passat, which is going for 47,900. It is a category B, meaning you can't finance the car. So it has 173,549 kilometers on the clock. This car is a 1.8 liter turbocharged inline four-cylinder petrol engine, producing 110 kilowatts of power and 210 newton meters of torque. It has a 5-speed manual transmission with a fuel consumption of 9.87 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 62 liters. So according to the technical report, this car has more than 6 issues, which are side mirrors are broken, CV joints are torn, and tires are smooth. But the body is still okay. I didn't see any dent, I didn't see any scratches, all the windows are still okay. So when it comes to the interior, you have your closed leather seats, manual climate control, a basic audio system, your gear there, your input there, your steering wheel wrapped with rubber. The interior is quite in a mint condition, as you can see right there. It is clean, man. It is clean. That's it about our VW. It is kinda beautiful, man.